So this is the Burberry Spring Summer 2021 pre-lookbook collection, and let us start with the croquis development and draping. Follow me step by step and make accordingly like I am doing. Remember, do the draping and this pencil art with very light hands. Almost done with draping. Correct. Now it's time for hair and start coloring. Start from erasing the extra lines and making the plaid check pattern as I am doing. Shirt inside and a trench coat outside with famous Burberry plaid check. You can check out the Burberry new collection of Spring Summer 2021 so that you can get a reference. Almost done with the check pattern. Start with coloring. Coat the basic brown layer. Remember, we are doing brown color on skin this time, as you can see the real picture of the model, or you can manipulate the color according to yourself as per your want. Giving touches of white and then brown. Now with black we will give highlights accordingly. First you have to give outline to the skin and then merge it with little water. As always, start doing the shirt with yellow and then orange color as I use. So this is the pattern we are drawing with orange and then bit of yellow. Again make cross with orange and brown in between, because the sweater is basically of brown color. So we are doing brown in between this cross and other pattern. Then let us come to pencil skirt, doing with orange. You should check the pattern how I am doing, leaving one box and another, and then doing yellow in between like this. This is very simple and easy, you just have to observe. Then with brown, give outlines to every box. Some wide lines you have to draw like this, little bit wide. Okay, this is done. Then do the same brown color hair. Now let us come to the coat. For coat you have to give a mix of three colors, green, yellow and brown, to make this color which I am coating. This is a mixture of green, yellow and brown. Remember that. You can make this color by your own. Do everywhere on the coat. Leaving the checks. Then in between the line. Don't skip out any step. This is a warning for all of you. Then do the coat of brown, very less of brown on the check, very light brown. You have to add much of water and less of color to give this kind of effect. Then with black, give the stripes like this. You can do it with black sketch also. That will be more easier for you, but I am doing with watercolor. Leaving one white line and then black, then one white and black. You have to draw 3 lines accordingly. In the arms, We'll repeat the same here. One black, one white, one black and one white. I recommend you people to do it with black sketch, that will give you more ease. So you can do it with sketch pen. There, and now we will do here one black, one white and then one black. We have to give two black stripes here. Like this, you can see. Don't cross cut the horizontal and vertical line. As you can see, I haven't cross cut them. Doing the basic on the purse, basic brown, little bit of brown and then skin to give effects. As you can check out, the purse is quite off-white in color. Now if you have pencil color, then do the orange color like this. Give shades, or you can use Staedtlers, and then with black pen or black stabilo, give the lines in the middle. You just have to follow up the design. Do it with a very narrow tip pen. Remember that. Draw the lines in middle. This is very detailed work. Then with brown pencil, draw the lines in middle of these boxes and give effects on the sweater. You have to give rendering on the sweater, and with black pen, give rendering on the pencil skirt as well as all over the dress. Then with black sketch, I am giving this black detailing on the armhole and again darkening these stripes. You can see that the finishing is coming out very well. With black pencil, give effects on face also, all over the collar. The trench coat, give armpits and other folds like this. Black pencil is very easier way to give folds and effects rather than a watercolor. Now with white pencil, I am just lightening those black stripes just a bit. We have to just give a light effect, that's it. And with brown pencil, we have to give effects all over the trench coat. Give strokes as I am doing. Make outline and just rub it little bit all over. It is coming out very well. Again with black pen, so sketch we are doing this. Making shoulder pads, and then for hair we are doing it with red color, red sketch. You can do it with watercolor also, and with brown we are just darkening it, making some lines. Hair entering is very easy concept. Now with orange, I am just lightening the white part. You can do it with skin color also, just giving some touches of orange to make it light, and it comes on purse. Everything is ready. Now it's time for the purse. with brown sketch. You just follow me step by step, giving touches of white again to give finishing everywhere, and let it dry. Come to the sandal. We will draw the bellies with again black, this is brown sketch, and giving finishing on the skin with brown pencil, brown and then black. Giving finishing on the purse with black pencil. It is looking perfect. Giving some effects with brown, and let the purse dry and do the outlining of skin as well as all over the dress. I'm doing it with black pen this time, all over the skin with black pen. You can use black stabilo, and doing it all over the trench coat, skirt, shirt, everywhere. Outlining adds on the beauty of a fashion illustration, so I recommend it, very necessary for every illustration. As you can see, the illustration is coming out very well. It is looking so pretty and classy. With very simple easy steps, the illustration is almost completed. It is no harder. Giving effects with black pen only. And then Burberry. Yes, Burberry is main thing. So writing Burberry on the purse. And you can see the dress is almost ready. Spring Summer 2021 pre-collection lookbook. Awesome. You guys like it or not? Do not forget to subscribe and support.